Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today to see what I am up to. Today I have this Ipsy box, and this is my Ipsy Open Studios for December. Have not even slit the tape on the box, so this is a spoiler alert if you don't want to know what you could get, some of the items. This is not what everyone is going to receive. Then come back and watch after you get your bag. Of course, Oreo is here. She's going to continue to video bomb me. She's been jumping in. So this is so kindly sent to me, gifted to me each month by Ipsy. So discover yourself. And here's another little sneak peek. We'll just give you a quick little sneak peek there. So what they do is the card is never has the products on it because it's going to vary. So this says Ipsy Open Studios, and the December 2021 theme is going to be Time to Shine. And then the inside just, is for the people that get the product in Open Studios. They never put like all of the glam bag items in this bag. So let's just start here. So this is like a rose gold glittery with the gold pole. The texture is rough. It's not like a soft texture. But as you can see, they never put all the products that are the glam bag products in my glam bag. So sometimes, most times I have to figure it out. So there's 4 items here that are in the glam bag. So there's going to be a 5th loose thrown in here somewhere. And I don't know what one it will be. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would assume it's going to be the masks as part of the glam bag. I could be wrong. I will look it up on my laptop that I can see what all the products are for glam bag and what all the products are going to be for plus. So I have the glam bag and the plus possibilities for December. So let's just start with the masks, and these are limited edition from the Cream Shop. This first one is collagen and squalene. Squalene is very good for your skin. And then the second one is 24 karat gold and collagen. So there's 2 masks there, so I'm going to leave them sealed. That's nice. And then, the bag we have. The first product, which I think I have this is from Tarte, their Sea Line Surfer Girl. And this is a sample mascara. Love it. Love that. So I know that belongs there. So here we have from, I'm not sure how you say that, Tari Mars. It's an eye contour cream. I would have to read a little bit about this to see. So that's a product that I received. This is always nice to get from Benefit Cosmetics, the Professional. And I'll just open this and show you. It's real tiny, but it's cute. It will do the job. You don't need that much. A little primer. That's always nice to have. I love getting those. And then we have a product from Oriza Beauty, a little eyeshadow. I would assume it's a quad. Okay. As you can see from the back, it's a little quad. This is sealed. Let me see if I can unseal it. Yep. Looks like a nice little shadow palette by the coloring. Let's open this up. No mirror. But this is the little quad. That's a nice palette. You could do an eye look with that. Maybe you need like a lighter shade. But you could manage with that. That's really pretty. I like that. I'll leave that in the little envelope it was in. So they are my spoilers for December 2021 for the glam bag that I was sent. From what I saw from my, let me get that out of here, stop crinkling it. My personal bags, I don't think I received a lot of these products. I'm not sure. I don't remember what I saw. But so they are the spoilers for a glam bag. Here's the bag for the plus. That's really cute with all the stars in gold. I like that bag. Very, very nice. And it does have, the Ipsy tab. I like that. So in this, for my plus that I was sent, from Ink Readable, Nails Ink London. This is a roller gloss. You have 2 roller glosses. One is Do they give you shades? I don't want to open this because it's sealed, because I might share this. So I got 2 glosses. And this says amethyst on the side, and then rose quartz. Am I holding that right? No. Rose quartz. And then amethyst must be the, there's little flowers in there. And I don't know if you can see that moving around in there, little flowers. That's nice to have for a nice little gloss. From Dragon Beauty, we have the Dragon Wing Eyeliner from Dragon Beauty. We haven't gotten stuff from them. And this is in Blackout. Let's see. Okay. So I won't swatch this or anything just because it's black. I won't keep it. But that's what this looks like. Nice. And it is sealed, so I'm going to leave it that way for sure. Get that back in there. That's nice to have. Black eyeliner, you can't go right now. This is a great product for me. From Kate Somerville, Exfoliate. This stuff is fabulous. If you can get this in their sales, it works phenomenally. And this is Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Right here. Love this. And it is sealed. What? It has, I do remember that scent. I think I have one, but I'm happy to have a backup. That is a nice product to have. Let's see what here. From Verb Ghost Prep. Weightless Moisturizer. Heat Protectant. Frizz Control. Okay, so this is for hair. No parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. Primes hair. Oh, it says fine hair for weightless style. I guess really anybody could use it. I don't know. We'll give that a shot. And then, oops, the last product in my bag, which is really nice. And this is from Belle and Argent. 2 brushes. They look like they're nice brushes. I'm not sure if I'm going to open them and touch them, just because I might just share them. And I don't want to take them out of the package. But they're nice brushes. They have like a little pointy bottom. They're weighty. They're not like flimsy. So they are the 5, which I would assume, right? 1, 2, 3, 5 products plus the bag that you get in plus. And then my products that I received in my glam bag for the month of December 2021. Time to Shine from Ipsy. I am always so grateful to get this from Ipsy every month. I love that they've included me in their PR program. I think this is really nice. Let me just see. Sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks. Get your skin glowing and share your light inside and out with the ones you love. And that's from Ipsy. So, like I said, these are some of the products that you could get in your plus or your glam bag. It's by no means all of them. They usually have page after page of products, especially the glam bag. They offer a lot more products. If you are a member, you can go on and under your bag, towards like the middle of like the page, it says like see all products, and you can see all the products. That's what I'll do to get some information on some of this and post pricing so that I can do cost versus value. But these are just spoilers, and I love getting this. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of some of these products. I think a lot of these are really good. I'm excited. I like the little quads to throw in my makeup bag that I could take away. I could, if I had 1 or 2 of these, it's better than a huge palette. Like if I had a lot of lighter tones, then I can do an eye look. You don't need a ton of brushes. I have a small, like little pencil case style brush case that you can just put your brushes that you need in, throw your sponge in there, all that. So that they're great to take away. And these little samples are great to take away for primer, for, take away a little mascara. You don't need to take all your full-size products with you and full-size skincare. I get plenty of little samples of the skincare that I have full sizes of. I usually put them off to the side, and I have like a train case and keep them in there for when I, go overnight somewhere, or, now that we're able to, for now, God knows what will happen, but move about in the country. So, but let me know what you thought in the comments. I greatly appreciate all of you. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.